Well, I guess at that early stage, I was interested, and I think this is still my main interest, and it's an interest that I have across all historical perspectives, and that is, it's not about the great men for me. It's really about everyday people and their lives. And I was always interested in capturing the lives and the experiences of these people for whom Yiddish was their first language, that they came over on those boats to start a new life, to escape whatever they were escaping. And I wanted to grab that before they were gone. I guess in a way, I hadn't thought about it this way, I guess in a way to capture what I hadn't captured from my own grandparents, and to get that from the population that still existed, so that other people could look back and see. I think that great men are always going to be, there's always going to be histories written about great men. But it's the everyday people who really move history forward, I think. And maybe some of those people become great men or women. But you know, what really counts is the everyday people, I think.